Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we consider to be the best kitchen island cart with storage shelves, the Shintenchi Kitchen Island Cart. Whether you're looking to optimize your kitchen space, organize appliances, or simply add a stylish, functional piece to your home, this cart might just be the answer. Let's dive in. At first glance, the Shintenchi Kitchen Island Cart impresses with a sleek black finish and a compact yet roomy design. Its dimensions are 18 inches deep, 26 inches wide, and 35.2 inches tall, making it an ideal size for both small and medium kitchens. It's built to balance form and function, offering not just a worktop, but a whole storage solution for your kitchen or dining area. The standout feature here is its ample storage space. This cart features a single-door cabinet, a drawer, and an adjustable shelf inside. It's designed to tackle one of the most common kitchen complaints: lack of counter space. You can stash your blender, toaster, or coffee machine in the cabinet and free up your countertops instantly. The drawer is great for cutlery, napkins, or those little kitchen tools that always seem to clutter your drawers. The towel rack on the side can even double as a paper towel holder or a place to hang a kitchen cloth for quick cleanup. Mobility is another winning point. The cart comes with 4 smooth rolling, silent caster wheels, 2 of which are lockable. That means it glides effortlessly across your floor when you need to move it, maybe closer to the stove during cooking, and then locks in place when you need stability. The towel bar doubles as a handle for easy pushing and pulling, which is a thoughtful detail. The worktop itself measures 26 by 18 inches, perfect for meal prep, setting up a mini buffet for guests, or even mixing drinks. The top is made from solid wood with a smooth surface that's easy to clean. No need to worry about staining it with sauce or wine. A simple wipe is all it takes to keep it looking sharp. And let's talk quality. The cart is made of a solid wood board and a sturdy frame that gives it a durable, rounded feel. Despite weighing 64 pounds, it feels more like a solid piece of furniture than a flimsy accessory. It's not going to wobble when you chop veggies or set a heavy appliance on it. Plus, the assembly process is pretty straightforward. All the tools and instructions you need are included in the package. Functionally, it's more than just a cart. It serves as an extra countertop, a cabinet, a drawer unit, and even a mini bar or dining station if you're hosting. Whether you're living in a small apartment or just want to maximize your kitchen space, this product adapts easily to your needs. For Prime members, it often includes exclusive deals, and even with shipping and import charges to countries like India, it remains a competitive option in the market. Considering the build quality, features, and versatility, it's definitely a solid investment for your kitchen. In conclusion, the Shintenchi Kitchen Island Cart isn't just a storage unit, it's a space-saving solution packed with thoughtful design elements. It's mobile, multifunctional, well-built, and easy on the eyes. Whether you're cooking, hosting, or just trying to bring order to your kitchen chaos, this cart gets the job done, and does it in style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews just like this one. See you next time.